cannot believe we're getting ready to go to the Galapagos.
Kids are all dropped off.
We did it.
On to the adventure now. Let's go.
We're standing inside a volcano.
And they decided to measure the shape of the earth.
After a long day in Quito, it's time for a drink. Cheers.
Ready to go.
Welcoming our expedition team.
We're just heads in orange. Can you imagine Darwin coming here and seeing this for the first time?
We try to find a balance where nature cannot be affected, but also the humans can have the pleasure to see these unique things in the planet.
It's really incredible. The animals don't seem to be afraid of us at all. They just see us like we really are, another animal in nature. This is a killer whale.
There's animals everywhere.
Yeah.
Kayak time.
It's dancing. They are dancing a little bit.
We're on the chase. A huge bait ball of fish. Caught by big fish underneath it, scooped up by birds.
If this gets back to us.
There's a little bit of the green grasses and bushes are starting to come out. We get to see a lot of these iguanas coming out for feeding.
Since this center started, over 8,000 tortoises have been released to the different islands.
They said some of them are over 150 years old.
Learn and make as much noise as you can.
Did you see how close that line was to me? That was amazing.
Baby sleeping.
We just saw a big shark.
Sea lion bit by flipper.
It's not an amusement park.